project Osheshe, which was more of an economic study, and it was more of trying to come up with a policy document. We're still on that, but we decided to commence our empowerment side of things. When Kemi sent me a message some time back that she wanted to buy an industrial sewing machine, I just thought maybe we'll just support her with a small personal donation. Then when she now sent the reminder, we decided to support her with the machine. I'm very pleased that today we are in a position to commence this, and I'm doubly happy because one, she's from Rebel and her husband is from Shagamu, so she's the first beneficiary of our empowerment activities.
It's a Twolion industrial sewing machine. It's one of the new inventions. It's not the normal regular one that we use in sewing, and I've seen the output of this machine, and I know that it's going to actually improve the quality of sewing.
Where she not for the ọmọ Ṣàgámù never. Ọmọ Ṣàgámù. Ọmọ Adétù mi wà. Adétù. Lẹ́lẹ́ mọ̀ dáadáa no ma Adétù yẹn oríṣi ní Adétù.
Present from me.
Binemi wa. Bárẹ̀rẹ̀ bàbá tèmi náà bùrọ̀. Wọ́n ṣe foundation ló ṣe é ṣe wọ́n múlẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ ṣe é ṣe. Nítorí pé nǹkan táwa ń wò lóòkìtì eléyìí kọjá òkìtì ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀wá ọlọ́run lò ní láti sọ ní pé tó ṣé yẹn ni ló ń wọrí. No! In his mercy, àwa nínú ìṣòro ọ̀fẹ́, àwa bójú wọlé, àwa embrace yín. Roundabout.
I've knocked on doors, family, friends, anybody, close siblings, that it was really difficult. But meeting Mr. Opeyemi was divine from the day that I met him. Even if I say I knock on doors that were really open to me, there are doors that have conditions. There are doors that want me to walk like lion, like elephant and live like an ant. But I really appreciate you because you did this, you did not put condition. I've never had the opportunity of what you did to me today. I can put my mannequin in front of it and snap it and be more than a fashion designer. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you so much.